I'm John Maturo.
And I'm Nick Jordan.
Today, we're gonna make an Egg McMuffin, famously from McDonald's Food Corporation, now coming to FTC dorms. So to start off, you're just gonna need a couple of simple ingredients. One of the main thing we need is an egg. So just take a simple egg. You can get this at your local grocery store or mini mart, whatever, and you're gonna crack the egg into a cup. So get that bad boy right in there and just make sure you try not to get any eggshells because we don't want eggshells in our eggs. I don't think anyone would you?
No, not at all, John.
Okay, so crack another one. Do that. And what's next, Nick?
Now we're gonna scramble up the eggs. So this recipe calls for 2 eggs. You could use 1, you could use 3, however many you feel.
It's preference, really. How do you like your eggs? Sunny side, scrambled?
I prefer, it depends. Sometimes scrambled, sometimes sunny side.
I'm either or. I like them either sunny side or scrambled. All right. So once the eggs are all scrambled and you get that nice gooey egg, we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right. Now our egg has cooked. Let's take it out. Okay. Got a nice yolk, and now we're gonna take the egg and put it on our English muffin. So let's do that right now. Put that right in there. Let's come out. Oh, one of them came out. And then here's the other one, right here. A nice fluffy egg. It's really how they do it though, if you really think about it. That's how they really do it at McDonald's. And then if you want, it's optional. You can put it on your favorite type of cheese. Today we got white American, of course, which I think is the best cheese. What do you like? What cheese do you like, Nick?
I like American cheese, white American, yellow American. Mozzarella's good.
Mozzarella's pretty good. Okay, so we're gonna put cheese, and then what's the last step?
We also have 2 little sausage patties that we're gonna put on also.
Yep.
And then the top of the English muffin, and there we go.
Voila. Now we made one prior before this, so we got 2 here, so we're each gonna take a bite. Ready?
All right.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit, John.
Yeah,
It's pretty good.
tastes just like one.
Yeah, I would make that
Yeah.
all the time.
Yeah, definitely recommend it. And if you want also, if preferable, you can add ketchup or hot sauce to your English muffin. I personally think ketchup goes good on it. What about you?
Yeah, ketchup's good. I like hot sauce too.
I would say so. Anyways, this has been FTC Dorm Cooking. If you want to see the full recipe, check out the FTC record online. Enjoy.